Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to merge tasks in ClickUp. And if you want to merge the task in ClickUp, you go first of all to ClickUp and log in with your account. And then after that, you will find right here your team space. Then select a project and then you will find here the task that you are having in your project. Let's say now we want to merge. We go right here to a task and then we click here on the three dots. Then you can select right here, merge, and then you will find right here some tasks that we can merge. So let's search, for example, right now, just task 2. There we go. And then we can select right here, task 2. And now he merged our tasks. So this is in a nutshell how you can merge your tasks right here in ClickUp. So check which task you want to merge and look for that. And yeah, this is exactly how you can do this. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.